Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is acrobat. 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 Acrobat is a noun that refers to an individual skilled in performing extraordinary physical feats, especially those involving agility, balance, and coordination. Acrobats are often associated with circus performances, gymnastics, and aerial displays. Here are some examples. Example number 1. The acrobat wowed the audience with daring flips and somersaults under the big top. Why acrobat is used in example number 1. Acrobat refers to a performer known for their agility and gravity-defying acts. Example number 2. The young acrobat displayed remarkable poise and skill on the balance beam. Why acrobat is used in example number 2. Acrobat is used to describe a gymnast's extraordinary skills. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.